Eat today, live today, here we go. I made salmon rice balls for tomorrow's lunch. It's super simple, just mix grilled salmon into freshly cooked rice. But today wasn't just about cooking, a shocking piece of news broke. Masahiro Nakai, a member of the legendary SMAP, announced his retirement following last year's scandal. SMAP was a cultural phenomenon in Japan, and Nakai's popularity was unmatched. It feels like the end of an era, one that defined so much of my childhood. What are your thoughts on this? Let's talk about it.